Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we got a one owner 86 Monte Carlo SS. This car here is a 305 under the hood. Looks like our AC and stuff still up under here. Fairly clean. We're gonna be taking off down the road doing a little test drive on this car. Any flaws that I see I will point out and let you know. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every car on the lot. I also do full detailed walk-around videos describing each car. So there's 2 videos for each car. Always remember that. MapleMotors.com has close to 100 detailed pictures. Financing and shipping information is available. All right, Jeff is cramming me in now. Let's go ahead. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Old buzzer here. Go ahead and get rid of that. Okay. All right, guys. Looking around the interior, it looks pretty good. Especially for the year. A little bit of sun fade going on right here. Got my tools back here. You can see all the gear that I use below in the description. Headliner's definitely really faded out here. Our tack is not reading accurately. It's definitely not accurate. It's showing 56,000 miles. That could be very well how many miles is on this car. Being it was a one owner car. All the gauges are coming up. Oil pressure gauge is broke on this car. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We'll be trying everything else as the windshield wipers. See if the AC works. I just heard the compressor kick on. It's pulling down on the motor. It's blowing from up here, but it's cold. Cold AC on this one. And we just had a light pop on. What is this? Got a service engine light popping on. I'm not sure what that's about. The car is running really smooth right now. Radio works. Let's try this horn. Did y'all place your bets? It works. All right, guys, let's hit the road, see how she runs and drives, and we'll be doing a walk around video as well. All right, guys, getting ready to take off down the road here. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know. Roll up out of here. Brakes are pretty touchy right now. All right, so we're driving down the road. Speedo's coming up. Car's going straight as an arrow down the road. And the steering got a little bit of slack in it. See that? It's turning there and it's turning there. Kick down is hooked up on this one. Motor did hesitate a little bit. Let's try our brakes. Brakes feel great on this car. Not sure what the check engine light's for. It may be even where I stomped down on it. Did you hear it start missing for a second? Just checking her gauges. Turn signals are popping up on both sides there. They are working. Hear a little bit of a rattling coming from up under the driver's front tire. And I can smell some oil burning. Could be a leaky valve cover going down on the exhaust. Haven't seen any smoke, but that's what it smells like to me. We're gonna pull up in this parking lot right here. We'll go ahead and get some outside shots all the way around the car. I'm gonna do a full walk around, separate video of this one. Can y'all hear that? Sounds like chains or something. I'm gonna look up under the car too to see if I can figure out what that is. All right, guys, let's get these shots. Okay guys, I did the walk around video and I discovered the car has been smoking a little bit out of the left rear exhaust. And we also have a little bit of an oil leak on the driver's side valve cover. A little bit of a miss to the motor too. I think it needs a set of plugs. I've noticed it gained a little bit of a miss as it warmed up and got to a warm temperature of about 180. I mean, it's running a lot better than it was at first. Seems like it got a little bit faster. I think the plugs are a little bit messed up on it, so may have to get a new set and put them in there. Maybe some wires too. Still hear that rattling coming from underneath. Coming up on that speed bump here, the suspension's in good shape. Did you hear that? Listen. Definitely gonna need some mechanical work on this car. The walk around went pretty well, so shouldn't have any issues there. But I can feel it kind of shaking a little bit now. That's what the check engine light's on. That's why it's on. Just didn't feel it the first portion of the test drive, so. All right. Let's pull back in the lot here. We're gonna go ahead and grab another car, do another test drive, check some more stuff out. I'm gonna tell them what I found, and we'll see what we could do here. If you're interested in this car, watch both videos. Check out maplemotors.com for 100 detailed pictures, and shipping and finance information is also located on the website, so definitely go and check that out. I appreciate y'all riding along with me, guys.